Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And today I'm going to show you how to create a compelling LinkedIn About section for professionals using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Your LinkedIn About section is like your personal elevator pitch. It's the first place people learn about who you are, what you do, and what makes you unique. When using ChatGPT, provide clear details about your professional background, skills, and goals. For example, you could say, write a professional and engaging LinkedIn About section for a marketing manager with 5 years of experience in digital campaigns and brand strategy. ChatGPT will now craft a well-structured and persuasive summary that highlights your expertise, achievements, and career ambitions. Review the output carefully, then personalize it with your voice and any specific accomplishment you want to emphasize. Make sure it sounds authentic and approachable to connect with your audience. Remember guys, adding keywords relevant to your industry is important too, as it helps recruiters find your profile. You can ask ChatGPT to include terms like digital marketing, SEO, or content strategy based on your field. And that's that guys. Remember to always give details to ChatGPT, for you will get better responses once you provide ChatGPT with the details. And that's that. Now you've learned how to create a strong LinkedIn About section quickly and effectively with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.